Hey, what's up guys? Figured I'd do a quick video on this knife here. So I just want to say what the materials are on this knife. I have a 1095 steel, basically high carbon fiber steel. Used to be a file. And then I have a giraffe handles with copper tubes, mini tubes. Hard to get that angle so you can see. Yeah, there it is. See? Shout out to the airplane above me. Anyways, I'm making this quick video because I'm going to be sending this out to Mo Mellow Leather, and he's going to be doing a custom sheath for this knife. And one of you are going to be able to witness along with the sheath. So what I need you guys and gals to do is follow both of us, stay tuned with our channels, and as soon as we have everything wrapped up, we're going to be doing that giveaway. Ought to be a fun one. Nice tanto tip. Anyways, that's all for now. Thanks for coming in, checking out this quick video. And with that being said, let me get back to paradise.